Bill Goudy checking in. Am I the only one? Yeah, I like to go to the meat market. I go to the meat counter and they had a sale. They had sirloin roast, sirloin tip roast on sale for $2.99 a pound. I couldn't beat it. I've eaten all the deer. It's deer season. I'm hoping. But so I'm limited. I'm limited. Now I've been low carb, so I've been eating mostly plant, a complex carb diet, and I limit myself on meat. But occasionally I like to have a steak. Or yeah. So $2.99 a pound for roast. I buy as big a roast as I can get, and then I slice it. Yep, and then I throw it on the grill. Check it out. Check that out, will ya? Yeah, that's a little thicker cut than, that's probably a roast. Them are probably two roasts by themselves, but that's what was one roast, and I cut that in half. Actually, I think I cut 3 steaks off of that. But I'm cooking ahead, so I'm cooking both of those right now. Never been frozen, fresh from the meat market. Yeah, you just can't beat it. I'm telling you. I'm looking forward to that. So, you all have seen me eat steak before. I'm going to have me a tossed salad with blue cheese dressing and mashed cauliflower with a little cream cheese, maybe a little garlic powder in there. Yep, that's on my agenda for tonight. Thank you for watching. Man, oh man, I just can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Thank you for everything you do. Bill Goudy out. Really out this time.